Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to try to create some class. That means I'll try to edit this component in assembly level itself. Technically, we are doing top down now. Bottom up, sorry, bottom up. Okay. So I want to edit this component. So what I'll do, I'll select the component. Here you have one activate symbol. Click on activate, then you'll go to part level. If you click on edit, you will be editing in assembly. Assembly edit means constraint placement. Click on activate. Now you can see the options got changed. The options got changed. Now what can I do? I can go with the offsets here. So I'll just click on, I'll just go and edit it. Simply same part level, or okay, two, simply two I have edited. And don't forget to save. First, don't forget to save. Come here, come in assembly, control S. I'll be saving my assembly in new folder. In that 123 assembly, click on OK. Okay. Okay. Now I'll come to roller, activate it. Everything has changed. I mean, like now offset, edit. Simply, I'll give some 0.5 mm of clash. And the second offset, okay. And the second offset, again edit. 2 mm is there. Okay, done. And control S, save it again. Come here and activate your. I gave 2 mm here, but it is not taking. I don't know why, but fine. Okay, more or less we'll be getting a clash now. Okay, I'll go to analysis. In analysis, I'll be going with parts only. Here you can change few things. Click on preview. Now it is showing me clash. You can see some amount of clash. Actually, it is taking volume. Okay, some amount of clash. It is showing. Okay. If you are having any clearances, for example, again, now I'll try to create some clearance. Again, I'll go to activate. That means I'm activating the part level here. Again, in the part level, I'll go to offset, edit, minus 0.5. I have created a kind of gap. Again, I'll come here, click on assembly file, click on activate it, but still I'm able to see the clash over here. So it will create an issue for me. So I'll just simply go with Control Z. Thickness, I want it to be in reverse side. Still it is showing me clash. What to do? Just a minute, I'll try. Select this, simply delete all. Okay, you understood the concept, right? Whatever we will be doing in part level, it will be affecting in assembly level. Okay. So when you go with global interference, if there is any interference, it will give us a interference. If the same thing, if there is any clearance, it will be giving us uh, clearance. Okay, it will be giving us some clearance. I'll try to edit this part and try to create some clearance here. Edit कहाँ पे है part वो इधर पे ना, extrude. Okay, I'll try to edit the sketch. Click on edit. This 50 no 5, right? It is, I'll make it 4.5 so that it can create a gap. Save it, come here, click on assembly and activate assembly. uh, no, it did not create gap. It did not create, actually it is not activated. Okay, I think you understood how we can edit things here. Okay, how we can edit things here. Simply you can uh, click on to whatever part you want to edit, click on activate, go inside the part level, and you can do things. However, you can apply a whole, or let us say I'll want to click on whole. I'll simply come here, click onto it. Okay, placements. It's not linear, it's radial. So one edge I'll be selecting with the center, the other edge I'll be selecting with planes which I have switched off. I'll be selecting with randomly any of those planes. Click on OK. Again, come click on assembly, click on activate. See, again I'll be switching off the planes like this. uh, Basically you can do it. Okay, again, file, save. It is saving the only assembly. Suppose I want to save all the parts. File, save as. Okay, I mean like file, save as, in save as backup. It will save all the parts. See, all the parts, it will save. Actually, I took the parts from this folder. Okay, it will be giving, now it came into this folders like this. You can play around with this. Okay, and there is an option called as bill of materials. If you click on bill of materials and simply if you click on OK, top level total bill of materials, whatever it is there, it will generate a report uh, in this format, and you can directly send this format to uh, your customer or whoever wants. You can directly send it. So basically this is your assembly constraints will be in placement. If you, for that you need to go with tree. In tree filters, make sure that features and placements are checked in, then only it will show you those. Okay, click on base. In base, go with the placements. In placements, go with the sets. Okay, uh, you can see here, if you come in flange, placements, in placements, set 6, in set 6, whatever the constraints you have, whatever the constraints you have applied, everything it is showing. Okay, this is your assembly. Your assembly is done. I'll be giving you one task regarding this assembly. I have shared one uh, PPT. Okay, so this is an diagram assembly. You have bolts. Okay, don't go for nuts. Just draw your bolts. The connecting end of the piston, this end of the piston, just draw it and do it the assembly. Whatever dimensions are not there, just assume it. Okay, the first part of your assignment is create the parts according to the dimensions, assume dimensions whatever required, create assembly all of the parts, and check for global interference and clearance, and you should take a snapshot of it and keep it in the PPT. That is one part. The other part of it is, you can see there is a leather padding between these two. That leather padding increase the thickness of leather packing of 2 mm, as well as the bolt holes are there right here, not the bolt holes. Increase that bolt holes up to 2 mm, save that assembly, and again go with check for global clearances and global interferences, and paste those two screenshots in the PPT and send me that PPT. Okay, if you are having any doubt in this, please let me know. I'll help you out. Okay, if you do this assembly, I'll just tell the management that he has done the project. It is a kind of project only. Okay, take this as project. Okay, while giving certificates, they'll be asking about the project. So I'll tell that he has completed the project and all those things so that they can give you the certificates. Okay, any doubts? Anything I need to explain once again? Please let me know. I'll explain you once again. So, Sai, when can I expect this assignment from you? Sai? Or Akhil, when can I expect this assignment from you?
Sir, presently it is not possible, sir. I will submit. I will.
Within a week?
Okay, sir. Within a week, I will submit.
Yeah, for Sai also within a week, please submit it. Regarding any doubt, you can ask me or you can call me.
Okay.
Okay, okay, guys, then I'll end the call here. Next class will be on Monday itself. Okay, your assembly is done. Okay, bye, guys. Then, if you're having any doubts, please practice. If you're having any doubts, please let me know. Bye, guys.